Audience network on or off on LinkedIn. Hi, my name is Regitze from Greatest Marketing Agency. So audience network is both on LinkedIn and Facebook, and actually on Google also something similar. But what it is these platforms, they have connection. They're connected to some websites outside of their platforms. And on Facebook, we usually want to turn audience network off, because when it's on, we're allowing Facebook to show our ads on these websites that are outside of their platform, and it's usually very low quality websites, and it's not going to give us any conversions or leads, and therefore it's a waste of our ad dollars. But it's different on LinkedIn, because the audience network on LinkedIn is very high quality sites. So there on LinkedIn, you can actually leave it on, and you can get some conversions on these audience networks also. So that's one of the differences between Facebook and LinkedIn ads. So comment below if you have any questions, give me a like if you like it, subscribe for more, and share with someone who might find it useful also. And also comment below if you want me to do more videos around LinkedIn ads, because we specialize both in LinkedIn and Facebook ads for coaches and consultants. And if you want to work with us, then you can book a call with me. There's a link in the description. LinkedIn ads is great for coaches and consultants with high ticket programs. So go ahead and book a call, and I can tell you more about how we can help you. And also down below we have some free downloads. There's a Facebook ad template for those who want to run their own Facebook ads. Go ahead and download that for free. And then we have an ebook, Mastering Social Media Marketing Strategies for Coaches and Consultants. That's more about organic marketing. And also join our free Facebook group, also link in the description, where you can get more tips from me and other marketers. So thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.